Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Imagine that in a year you are creating your own web application working from anywhere in the world. What do you need for that? Today, I will tell you how to start your journey in web development and achieve your first successes already in 2024. My name is Vladimir and I am a web developer. I want to share my experience in this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and enjoy watching. First, let's look at the exciting directions in web development. These are Frontend, Backend and Full Stack. In short, a Frontend developer is responsible for creating the interface within in the browser, like in an online store where we click on various buttons and actions take place. After we fill in the data and press the order button, the data is transferred to the server where it's stored and processed. This is what a backend developer does. Accordingly, a full stack developer combines these two directions. I won't go into which technologies you need to know right now. I can make a separate video on this topic. Write in the comments if you are interested. Let's see how to quickly become a web developer in 2024. There are two ways. The first way is to take an intensive online course for 6 months with a mentor. For examples, if it's a front-end direction, you will learn HTML, CSS, the basics of the JavaScript programming language, libraries, code builders, code debugging. After that, you will complete a project to consolidate your knowledge and start looking for a job. Or the second option is to learn on your own. I would prefer the format of independent work. Firstly, it's cheaper, and programming is the direction where you will constantly learn something new on your own. My algorithm for learning web development on my own. Find programming courses where you can watch videos, solve problems, and answer various programming questions. Get the basics of programming on these courses. After completing the course, start developing a project. And here is the most interesting part. When you take a course, it seems everything is clear, but when it comes to practice, there can be many questions. And in this situation, ChatGPT can help where you can ask questions. Ask it to analyze the code and provide explanation for this code. Find errors with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an excellent assistant when learning something new. The best way to become a web developer is practice, creating as many different projects as possible. I understand that it is difficult for beginners to learn web development, so I created my ChatGPT Frontend Easy, which will help in learning front-end development. Follow the link in this description and use it if you want to become a front-end developer. So, more practice and you will succeed. Write in the comments what kind of programming you want to become and why. Thank you to everyone who watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, see you in the next video, bye.